Hi, welcome to my channel Rainy Days. Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn this glass jar into a really pretty candle holder. These look great in the garden. So the equipment you will need today is your plain glass jar. I just got this from Curry. A little pot to put your glue in. A small glass of water to mix with the glue. Some food colouring. And I'm also going to add some glitter to this one, so I just think it looks pretty. So to begin with, we need to add the glue to our little pot. Add a little bit of water just so it is a little bit thinner and it's just easier to spread on. We just want to give it a good mix. I'd say that's perfect. Now I'm going to be adding a tiny drop of this food colouring. As you can see, we're getting a really nice, beautiful colour right now. I'm also going to start adding some glitter. Again, you don't need a lot of this. As well, you can also add little sequins. That also looks very nice on these. Now to paint. Now don't worry about the little bubbles that appear. I just think it always adds to its charm. You will make a little bit of a mess, but it's all part of the fun. Now the reason I'm using PVA glue and a bit of water, because it's well known that PVA glue does dry clear, which gives the glass stained look to them. Now this will need to dry and it will need a second coat. As you can see, we have our jar here too. I always find it's better as well if you let them dry upside down. And once it is dry, it just looks really sweet in the garden or if you're trying to have a romantic evening. But 100% they look fantastic outside. So thank you for watching my video today. If you like and would love to see any more DIY hacks, please like and subscribe, and there is a little bell as well, so when I do upload a video you'll get a notification straight away. Thank you.